For a while, I was in love with 3B. I have 4A hair texture, and now you can't tell me nothing about my girls. Hey girl, so it is that time of the month. It is time for our monthly scalp detox. If you want your hair to grow, you should be doing this once a month, and this is how I make mine. No measurements, just add both ingredients until it forms a thick paste. That is the perfect consistency right there. So now let me tell you why this is so important in growing your hair. What this scalp detox does is that it removes buildup of dirt, dead skin, oil, hair products, and all of that stuff that can suffocate your hair follicle, which can trigger dandruff or seborrheic, you know what? Bear with me, seborrheic dermatitis. This scalp detox clears the scalp by sucking up all that dirt and nastiness. Apple cider vinegar can help fight bacteria and fungus, and the Aztec clay draws out any toxins and impurities. When I rinse it out, it will exfoliate my scalp, which stimulates the hair follicle, allowing my hair to grow and nourish the scalp. Remember, you only need to do this once a month. And as you can see, I am parting my hair in sections and applying it directly to the scalp. Now, there are some people who apply it all over their hair. I don't do that. I don't see the reason in doing it. Also, too, you do have to wet your hair completely before you apply it, and it is a no for me. But experiment, try it. The beauty about your hair journey is that what works for you may not work for me, and what works for me may not work for you. But we're here to learn off of each other and grow. So please feel free to comment your curly hair tips and techniques, and don't forget to subscribe.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my...
So now it is time to wash the hair. I am using the Innocence line. If you are new to taking care of your hair, if you're just starting your healthy hair journey, I will let you know this line is pricey. It works really well for my hair though, but I would recommend ordering the mini versions first and trying them out. What I like about Innocence is it's not super perfumey. Also, a little product goes a long way, especially when the product is pricey. In this economy, you have to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. Now, make sure to shampoo twice just to ensure the mask is washed out. And notice how I'm really getting in there and scrubbing, and just to ensure that mask is really gone, because remember, curly hair is thick, so you got to make sure you get deep into that scalp and remove that clay mask. So after that is said and done, I take the hydration mask and I apply it all over my hair. I also like to take the Denman brush and I like to comb it through, make sure every strand gets coated. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and pop on a shower cap, and I will sit under a heated cap for about 2 hours. I mean, if you're short on time, you can go ahead and do 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, but I have nothing but time, so 2 hours it is. I definitely recommend investing in a heated cap. This is a game changer when taking care of your curls. The heat from the heat cap allows the mask to penetrate your curls, giving it ultimate hydration and makes it really effective. So I highly recommend it. My Amazon storefront is linked down below, and you can check out the products that I use, and I only post products that I have used and loved, so check it out, you will not regret it. So 2 hours later, I am rinsing it, and I'm just going to apply some regular conditioner, and I leave that in for about 10 minutes, and then I rinse, and that's it.
But I really miss that love bomb. Go back to love bomb. You hit me with that love bomb. Playing each other's arms. Love coming so strong. Send me so strong. It was just a love bomb.
So now it is time for the wash and go. Again, I am using the Innocence line. When doing my wash and go, I like to steam my curls. The steam hydrates my curls while allowing the product to penetrate. When I do my wash and go, I do it in the order of leave-in, texturizer, gel, mousse, and oil to seal it. Now, when I do the mousse, I do it at the end of every section. So I usually part my hair in 4 sections, and then I go ahead and divide it like that. And then also too, I like to brush it through and then give my curls a little shake at the end, just to really allow that curl to form. If you notice, I have a microfiber towel around my neck instead of a regular towel, and that is because a microfiber towel causes less frizz on your curls. There are so many methods to doing a wash and go, LOC, LCO, but you just have to find the right one that works for you. It'll take a little bit of trial and error, but once you get that technique down, there's no stopping you. Okay, so that was how I did do my wash and go. And first of all, you want me to get up close and personal? The curls is curling. I wanted to drop some gems, some knowledge, words of wisdom. My ladies who are in the beginning part of their natural and their healthy hair journey. I want to talk about products. This is the most pain in the butt part. I started off with Garnier Fructis, and then I graduated to Shea Moisture. After Shea Moisture, I went to Miel, and Miel I stayed for so freaking long. Honestly, it's probably about 4 years. I feel like maybe my hair got adjusted to the formula, and so now I moved on to Innocence. The most expensive hairline that I've ever dealt with is innocence. When starting off, it's really going to be trial and error. I think that's the most frustrating part about your natural hair journey. Also, to test the porosity of your hair, and how you do that is starting with clean hair. You're going to take it from the root, pull. It hurts, it does. I'm very sensitive, so yeah, it hurt me. You're going to put it in a cup of water and you're going to see if it floats, if it doesn't, if it sinks. Products work for different hair porosities, so you're going to have to definitely do your research on that. Moving on is a technique on how you do your wash and go. Some people say wash and goes are not really wash and goes because you're supposed to just wash and go. I call what I do a wash and go. I don't know what name to call it. If it's not a wash and go, it's like a wash your hair and put products in it, I guess. It's about taking your time. It seems like a lot, trust me, because even my sisters, they'd be like, oh my gosh, I want my hair to grow, my hair to get longer. And they're like, what do you do? I'd explain to them the process. And one, it's overwhelming. Two, it's a lot to commit to doing weekly. But the way I'm set up, I romanticize it. I look forward to wash days. I look forward to my deep conditioner. I am in love with my hair. I love my curls. So I want to make sure they have everything they need. Okay, so look at it from that standpoint. It's just like anything. It's just like going to the gym, just like eating healthy, practicing makeup. Consistency is key. Be proud of your hair texture. For a while, I was in love with 3B. I have 4A hair texture. I think it's called texturism or something like that, like colorism, but texturism, I don't know. And I just was uncomfortable with my hair. You gotta break yourself out of that. What society says is cute curly hair. These are my curls. I love them. I love them because they go straight out of my head. I love them because they're the curls that God gave me. And now you can't tell me nothing about my curls. Don't be afraid to cut your curls. Damaged ends is not cute. Cut it off. Watch YouTubers with your hair type. It is going to help you in the long run with loving your curls and knowing how to take care of them and knowing how to manage them. I have 4A hair. So for me to watch YouTubers with 3B and then use the products that they use on their hair and then expect my hair to have the same results as theirs is pretty crazy. Length isn't everything. So even if you come on my channel, because I am trying to grow my hair out super long, but even if you're not coming on here to grow your hair, because again, length does not determine health. And if you're not going to watch somebody and learn tips and tricks from them because you think their hair is short, something is mentally wrong with you. Some people choose to wear their hair short, but their hair is strong. This channel is not only about growing your hair out, it's actually how to get stronger, thicker hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. I do lifestyle, beauty, and travel. So I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.